she a PYT on the Calabasas cast. If I see her on the street, must believe that I'ma ask her, what's your type, mommy? I mean, what you like, homie? I see you with your man and I hope you got a plan, cause I'm fucking with your mental and I see all your potential. I see why that dude liked it. Too bad I'm OG Locksmith. She can be the butter to my pecan. Told her speak a mother language, Puerto Rican. She said I can't be Hispanic, I Dominican. Plus I already put bilingual on my LinkedIn. Told her that when she not with a man, we could link up, and we could do anything that she think of. And every time that we on the brink of moving too fast, we can just slow it down, need to speed up. She got all the spiritual that is on you. She can make a band and throw a meal on you. Yeah, we ain't even really shopping, she make deals on you. Get her in the mood, just watch her feel on you. And she the type that be done left you when you wake up. And the letter right there by your head says get your cake up. She gon' push you to another level you ain't think of. She body's natural but still let her put on makeup. You on my mind to meet ya. Baby, just tell me what it is. Oh, you tryna have my kids. She been shooting my shot hella, and I'm trying not to miss. I got eyes like I'm Hemsworth, light brown like I'm Chris. See you vibing to my words, think it's worth the risk. Now baby, please don't leave. Show me how you feel, you ain't gotta be mean. Yeah, I mean my whip's all clean. I'll get you a meal, we can dip on scene. Yeah, I mean that shit taught me. Give you my number, you can trick call me. I put the ball in your court, that's with the tip off me. And I don't see nobody that can sit for me. So baby, don't go. I don't even know what I really want. But the end gotta end with you though. I be coming around like Pluto, and I'm happy for you, man, so kudos. But if you ever leave, please promise me you take a chance with me. She a PYT on the Calabasas cast. If I see her on the street, must believe that I'ma ask her, what's your type, mommy? I mean, what you like, homie? I see you with your man and I hope you got a plan, cause I'm fucking with your mental and I see all your potential. I see why that dude liked it. Too bad I'm OG Locksmith.